Somebody like one virgin makes no less than $10,000 every month. Chaluoku, Chagolu Facebook. We no grow. You go collect kataja. And then Udogachi, let them do their work. Even that guy that came to one virgin's prayer that claimed to have padlock, he carried padlock. How did the one virgin know that somebody carry padlock? God will show him. God can show one virgin that somebody has padlock. The same God cannot show one virgin another resources that will be bigger than oil in Nigeria, so that we can go and detect it. Then one baby virgin will be doing 100 days program for you. Blessing. Blessing, blessing. I'm seeing blessing. Emeka. Who is it? Grigori. Who was Rike? American fought that. Upon Jesus now, Chaluoku with medical error, medical problem. He will have used prayer to reset his eyes. How can Jesus allow me to get better eyes more than his prophet? So Chaluoku have Chalu Facebook. Immediately they posted this thing online. He took his Facebook down. He brought it down. Go and Google about Chaluoku now. Search for his page. No, search for his page now. Why are you running? In Ebuka, in Chuego. Him and Biazubambuka. Actually, Biazumbuka. I'm telling you, Europeans are they living in this type of condition? Is it Jesus that are blessing the Europeans and the Americans? Is it reverend fathers and pastors that are removing poverty in the Western world or government? Now, what do we need these people for? What do we need Chaluoku for? What do we need Elijah Enugu for? What do we need one baby virgin for? What do we need a cook for? What do we need you for? TB Joshua, what do we need him for? To do what? To change the system? Government changes the system, not God. During Biafra war, God run away. Only man faced the war. When Ojukwu noticed that our people had killed so much, Ojukwu came down from his throne and pleaded to Nigeria to stop the war. He surrendered. God was watching our people being mad. But Shoko was busy killing children. God was somewhere smoking. When I know the shame. Chaluoku, Chagolu Facebook. We no grow. You go collect kataja. And then Udogachi, let them do their work. Yes. Udogachi should do their work. Udogachi should do their work. Because now the bishop of Chaluoku, paying people to the. Do you know that these arranging people are living in one compound in Mpo? Yes. They were apprehended by Mpo vigilante some years last year. They called them Jege. Even that guy that came to one virgin's prayer that claimed to have padlock, what is his name? That padlock man is among of the Jege. They know there is a where he's living in Lagos, where Jege people are living. That is his work. He carry padlock. How did the one virgin know that somebody carry padlock? God will show him. God can show one virgin that somebody has padlock. The same God cannot show one virgin another resources that will be bigger than oil in Nigeria, so that we can go and detect it. So God can reveal to one baby virgin that somebody came with a charm. They are doing you tumbon. The reason why they're telling you this because the salary you are even receiving is not even enough to take care of your own as a woman in Nigeria. That is why you need God to survive. That is why my virgin is helping you. For you to believe that the reason why the salary is not enough for you to survive is because there is somebody holding padlock. Or God is because the system is not working. Your salary is below your expenditure. That is why you are poor. Your expenditure is bigger than your salary. Calculate it now. As a graduate, how much is your salary? If you are being paid 300k as salary in Nigeria, you are a poor person. In Nigeria, who is making 3 million naira yearly is a typical poor person. He will not feed well. I'm telling you. You do not feed well. 300,000 naira times 12 months should be 3.6 million. If you are making 3.6 million naira yearly as in Nigeria, you are typical poor and poorer. If you want to buy Lexus 330 Jeep at the cost of 16 million, that means how many years salary? You make 3.6 million yearly. How much are you going to spend for house rent? Now, how can you be able to buy a Lexus 330 direct Belgium with 16 million naira? If you are receiving 300,000 naira as your salary in Nigeria, you are a typical poor person. The poverty is dealing with you. If you counter a sickness that need 900,000 naira only for diagnosis, you will die on it. Now, how many of them are making 300k? How many graduates are making 300k as salary? Tell me now. How can somebody be surviving with 300,000 in Nigeria monthly? How? Guinea but 300, in your 50, in your 50, in your 10, 20, when you can't no need to robbery, 100, 300,000 in tip, give it 300,000. Within 30 minutes, you tip, you're going 300,000. And you are making 300,000 a month. You don't know that poverty is there waiting for you. You don't know. You don't know. Tell me any civil servant today who made his money through the salary and become richer than anybody in that community in Nigeria. Mention one person. Mention one person who is a civil servant in Nigeria who made his or her money through salary without fraud and he becomes the richest person in your village. Mention one person. This is the situation, the country where government made those to suffer. Every average Nigerian, your minimum at least salary is supposed to be 1 million naira. Minimum salary starts as a start. 1 million as a start every month. At least in a year you make 12 million naira. So you can live a good life. Breathe as a human being. Today, many of our graduates, they survive under salary of 150,000. If a Nigeria graduate is working where he's being paid 150, he'll be jubilating. 85.5% of Nigeria graduates are receiving 70,000 naira salary. 75. GC kept 100. Chaluoku prayed for my downfall in Israel. Tomorrow I will share the video. But today, what is happening? Onye aka do chakam di ocha. Ina akwụmogo. Ayorum gego. Inegwe mtata na mbere gwa gezo. Nsị gije verify yezo kuni na ngwa. Ibia say count ihe na gwa gị otu Bible. Njụọ gị Bible ahụ ihe na achọ ụwa. That is not what is ruining the world. You cannot go to law court today and use Bible to defend your case. You can't. You must use facts. And then splitting facts. I told you, provide one person today in Nigeria who was born crippled, that the community know that this person was born crippled. That a priest or pastor in Nigeria prayed for, and the person started walking again. And criminal priest wearing slavery gown, European slavery gown, telling my people that you're going to and araya opo oga imade kitchen mad oga. Nina karakam well. Where karakanja zubuka. Nanya well. Ukwedu na ewesis. Ukwedu na ewe. Now, as when you're a salary of 150,000, you're keeping in a bindo in abject poverty. You are living on credit in hunger. And you go yourself. And how you won't make God bless you? Why your salary is 100,000? If you receive, how you won't make God bless you? What you won't do? Where God go bless you? We will not fool for prayer. They do like this. How you want? Look at woman now when no marry man will get money. You know they see how they be. You know they see them, they go lose completely, they go lose. Can't check it now. That's your classmate where married person where no get money, where they struggle. They say, if you see her for road, you go pity for her. She go lose completely, totally. Sometimes when I see some of my classmates, maybe they're not doing well, their husband don't have money, see they will look like one old woman. Because of that, your classmate is suffering. Now, she needs Jesus to survive. And I'm telling you, Europeans, are they living in this type of condition? Is it Jesus that are blessing the Europeans and the Americans? Is it reverend fathers and pastors that are removing poverty in the Western world or government? Now, what do we need these people for? What do we need Chaluoku for? What do we need Elijah Enugu for? What do we need one baby virgin for? What do we need a cook for? What do we need you for? TB Joshua, what do we need him for? To do what? To change the system? Government changes the system, not God. During Biafra war, God run away. Only man faced the war. When Ojukwu noticed that our people had been killed so much, Ojukwu came down from his throne and pleaded to Nigeria to stop the war. He surrendered. God was watching our people being murdered. But Shoko was busy killing children. God was somewhere smoking. When I know the shame. Money answered all things, okay, children. Money answered all things. That is why Europeans are paying their children. That is why Europeans are paying. Even if you decide to be a drogi in Europe, there is money that government will be giving to you. So that you will not go and steal because of hunger. What do we need these people for? What do we need crusade for? What do we need juju for? Tell me. Tell me what we need God for. Where we see if you won't take your life, now you go take your life. Carry object for that. God will watch you. Go buy sniper now, drink him. God will watch you, drink him, die. During Biafran war, God run away. God japa. In Jamaica, japa. And after hunger killed our people for 3 years, Africa still come back to worship God. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, my Lord. Whatever I am now is by your grace. Who are you? Who are you as a black man? Who are you? Choosing. I am a choosing. God of my pastor. One virgin, they pray for you on social media. One virgin knows, say God, they do anything. Jesus cannot help him. Jesus cannot make him to make money he's making from Facebook monetization. The only thing you need to make money in Facebook monetization is view, sharing, like, comment, reactions. Reaction. That is what pays on Facebook. Then one baby virgin will be doing 100 days program for you. Baby virgin will be praying for you. I stop those who want to stop you. I stop those who want to stop you. Oh yeah, share it. Share press the share button. As you are sharing this video, miracle is coming your way. As you are sharing, miracle is coming your way. Begin to share. Oh, one virgin is praying for you at the same time, telling you to share. Why what God cannot do does not exist? Why can't God give one virgin 1 million share? Is that too difficult for God to do? Africa, wake up. One virgin is praying for you, telling you that he's stopping those who want to stop you. He's opening your door, and he's telling you to share his video. More you share his video, more you share it to human being. You are not sharing the video to God. You are sharing him to human being to get more views, to make more money from Facebook, to get more likes. Somebody like one virgin makes no less than $10,000 every month on Facebook. I'm telling you, don't doubt me. One baby virgin makes no less than $10,000 every month on Facebook. I'm telling you the gospel truth. One virgin makes more than $10,000. Facebook pays him no less than $10,000 every month. Will you believe? Through your share, through your view, through your comment. He knows that he doesn't have any Jesus that can help him share the video. He knows that the only way he can make money on that Facebook is through your share and your comment. Blessing. Only your blessing. Get your long chatting and people phone. Oh, what is your two usage? Blessing. Anyway, in phone and then walk API. API kono API ko nwulu API onwo nwoke ibege na nwanyi bega lo onye na-enwu na anyu onwu API kono API ko nwu oku oburo olu gemi na no onye bụ blessing. I'm seeing blessing. Emeka. Who is it? Grigori. Oh, Azurike. And let me break this thing down for you, Kevin. The idea of Bible telling you and the foolish man in his heart has said that there is no God. That is the advert. They are advertising your God. They are advertising God. They are making advert of God. They don't want you to talk down on God. The reason why he don't want you to talk down on God is by writing this thing. If God doesn't want you to talk down on him, he will not allow you to open your mouth and speak bad against him. If you want to talk, he will say the mouth because I ain't get the mouth. So this thing written in the Bible is a practical advert. God is advertising himself, putting fear, creating fear. Only a foolish man is God that is foolish by allowing man to even say there is no God, because he controls man's mindset. God is very foolish by allowing human being to have the brain of saying there is no God, by allowing human being to open his mouth to say there is no God. That God is a foolish human being. Because none of us here have allowed our children to call us by our name. Have we? We fool on. Did they fool on here? They carry God, they fool you. A foolish man have said there is no God. That is a fear. Fear they are putting in you. Why are they writing it? They would have not written it in the Bible. God would have just, when you want to talk about God, he go. Titan offering. If it's not bishop now, that up now, because it's bishop, you Christian no give brain. Where they call ownership. Victor one them apple hatolo. So hatolo have. So I have no business with them hatolo. Sheep. They no call on a lion. Bible no call you very dark man call a member rate. Say rate. You see the teeth of rate saying the bite. Our ancestors want to represent us before the world. They go and buy Ishiago. They use lion to represent Igbo before the world. Where you see Igbo communities anywhere in the world, you see them putting on Isago. Our ancestors named us lion, and the Bible call you sheep. Medical error, medical problem. He will have used prayer to reset his eyes. How can Jesus allow me to get better eyes more than his prophet? Una no one know the truth. Face reality. Face reality. So Chaluoku have Chalu Facebook. Immediately they posted this thing online, he took his Facebook down. He brought it down. Go and Google about Chaluoku now. Search for his page. No, search for his page now. Why are you running? In Ebuka, in Chuego. Him and Ebuka. Actually, there's Ebuka. Come on, I go on Ebuka. You don't want to come and do Ebuka business. In a member, in a marriage, Jacinta Bell. Jacinta Bally, or then you get tight and offering. In a dear Mary Met, but Manichi Roni, Jeron on a Benagge. Money does it, Mary Met, even with a Zeron and never Benagge. Which means Sabun and Already Brucos or Jident Benaga will let go the Hancha. Ubuneka Bishop Aloysius Ike one of also Buboneco and Soka Jeteozo. Uboneka Bishop also Blue and Soka Tekrota. Uboneka Bishop also Blue Kunijana Golote Krota, neighboring village. Bishop Kunigo Jena Bakaleke Jetekrota, no Akuluno. Also Blue Befa Kone, the Chebo Teweba. Let us a bishop or father. Why I generate money and so good. You are blessed. I'm not so good. I come to pray for you. But now bishop is a billionaire building house. He's not building for we in the soccer or under Bakaleke. He's building only for those. Simply means that if there is any reverend father or pastor that has any power to bless anybody, he will first of all bless his communities. Just as a bishop has power to bless his community, to bless people, to bless a community, he chooses his own community over his neighboring village in Neu. He chooses his community over Oba. Different neighboring village he has in Osobo. He chooses his community over there. They show you one sense. Maybe innocent. They not have too much. Nebramos, so would you have done very good. But when I'm talking no one Bamos in a village, and I'm telling you neighbor Hamos. It's nice, no one. Stop going to church. I beg you. Oga, who's had their bow? Oga, don't allow your children to be a Christian. Please, let this generation change this our suffering. Let this generation start to reason. Anytime your children put their head inside church, church will take away their common sense of reasoning. How can somebody travel to Israel and see what Israelites are doing to the Gaza? See how these were burning the Holy Catholic Church in Gaza, burning it down in order to defend their land. And after traveling to a country that Mount Zion Dome in their city to protect them, you come back to call the God of that Israel to protect your family. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Emeka, when them thank you so much. Our own is night of opening brain. Thank you, Emeka. You are intelligent. They are doing like night of open heaven. Our own is open brain. Tell me what God will do for you now. Mention one thing where God will do for you. Everything you celebrate today is human being. That you they wear better clothes. Now human being. Now man create the money. Man detected the resources. Without man, oil will have not been discovered. Man created the money. Man, they produced the machine being used to produce money in Nigeria, everywhere in the world. Man produced the car you are driving. The expensive phone they use today, man did the Facebook app you have. So tell me, what if they take waiting consignment from you? Now God will allow you, rain will beat you outside until you die. If they take away things you achieve through man today, take clothes away from you, take your house away from you, because your house you should achieve it through man. God never come and lay block there. You make money from man to pay laborers. If they take what man do for you out of your life, you go die within 2 days. If you depend on God, the coal will enter your body. If you remove your clothes in Europe today, leave human idea to protect coal and depend on God so that coal will not will catch you. Or God, if you not die within 1 week during winter in Europe, you remove your man ideas. Stay in the street for 1 week. If you no die, no sign no be Ezeaku. Una abeka no teach you more no. Nam urezio gwa sisi nwote aka egbo onye na-ewu yeneketa. Chaluoku were mje Israel. Wo okwu n'isi m Israel na mma ada na Jesus yegbu m. Onye ka zaziri ekpere ya keta, ya za akụ ka kpuchi m. Na-ememe na akụ na omena na healing hospital. Bịa ebe a ife ndị na-amụ nwa free. Bịa ka ife ndị anyị na-awa afọ every week. Bịa na omena na healing hospital. Fo nwa no bridge awa ya from nyere akụ. Chaluoku kpọta ofu onye gwọrọ ya. Bịa na wa omena na hospital. Come and see surgeons. Na m chọrọ ka ị mara onye China ma. Mari onye London ma you ọjọọ mmele na mbịa kwuchitere gị ọnụ gị na ebola amosu because very soon you will grow old ndị ọzọ akpọkwa gị amosu na mbịa agwa gị na onwe onye bụ amosu na village Chioka n'Igbo bịa mgba n'ụzọ Enugu Ọnịcha at least kịta ha rugoro ya obere from Ọnịcha to Enugu na ịma mma mgbe ji ruo Enugu from Ọnịcha to Enugu you want to know na irugo Enugu but you know how that road was as of 5 years ago ịgbakọta n'ụzọ na-ebe anya mmiri nwe ihe mụtara n'abalị ịmụta agwa chọwa ndị iro ana m agwa gị na nwere onye bụ onye iro ya ndị niile bụ onye iro ha naghị chọrọ igbo onye na-egu asị enwere ihe dị spiritual my brother Emeka enweghị anything dị spiritual onye ahụ sị gị na ya na-agwa ọgwụ bụ n'uche ekpokọrọ ihe niile na-ama ya ọlọ enweghị anything dị n'ime ebe onye wayo ihe niile ọ pakịrị o kechara gbusecha ọbara na ọgwụ na-agwọrọ ya agwọ enweghị ihe dị n'ime ya kpọọ maka mbịa vụrụ ya enweghị ihe dị dị wayo ndị Igbo gwara gị na ihe a mara maka ya gwọrọ agwọ ejighị ọgwụ mara ndị Igbo ihe eji mara anyị bụ aka aja aja na-ebute ọnụmanụ ị na-agwọ ọgwụ na-agwọ oke ite anaghị 2 million ebe ego oke ite onye a na-eme oke ite nata mmadụ 100 2 million enwe na 200 million atinye kabad n'ite na-agbonite na uti mmiri agbere na ya fụrụ isi na ite gị na-asụ asụ ime ọnụ kabad eji egoro na head bridge na-asụ ihe ọfụ na ịbịarute ogo tinye ya n'ime ebe a ọsụwa kpọtọkpọtọkpọtọkpọtọ isi na ite gị na-asụ na mmiri oyi ite na ya na-asụ asụ ime ọnụ nwere kemikal ya ewere tinye na mmiri ahụ na-asụ asụ enwere kemikal mmiri ya bụ metụ kịta ma ọkụ vum enweghị adịa tụmbọm miracle ndị tụmbọm ị chọrọ ime ihe na-eme gị inweghị ọkụ wee na-achị ihe na-eme gị ọkụ na-epe ịchọtawara na ha dị enye gị ọkụ kedu ife ime onwe ihe ha mere ị wee na-achọ ihe na-eme gị ihe na mmụọ ihe eji Jizọs ma atak ma ọgwụ ịbụ onye efu ọkụ na-epe ma ebe ha na-anọ ịma na ndị na-adị enye gị ọkụ ije gaba atị ehihie na onye ọzọ chọtara gị mmụọ na-eme gị ka ije gbuo mmụọ a itiro ndị nepa enyere gị ọkụ ma ọfịs ha ije gaba akwa ha ọbụ ma ọ were Jizọs ma onye ji were ọkụ shọkụ ya iche na onye ji iwe ọkụ kịta ọkụ shọkụ onye ọzọ ji ọkụ iche na ya ewezi ọkụ ahụ bọna ọkụ anyị jizi aka ya nyụọ Jizọs gboro gị ndị iro kedu ndị iro karịa na a ga-emegide mmadụ ti operation na tieta wee ọkụ echebe ka eje gbanye jen na Naịjirịa jen adịghịzi mma emewe tụmbọm ndị nepa ịma ọfịs ha ikpe na-ekpere onye ji iwe ọkụ ashọkụ ya enweghị adị ebe a na-eji na mmadụ na-eji agbanye ọkụ akpa dowe gị na ọchịchịrị je wechiri n'oche wechiri onwe ya n'oche otu na sị na wetara mbọtụ koku enweghị adị ya na mmadụ na-ewu ọkụ a ọ bịa nwanne m shọ ọ bụrụ na Jizọs eje onye a na-ewe ọkụ o ji iwe ọkụ adọgbu onye ahụ onye ọzọ ji iwede ọkụ adọgbukwa anya ọga ndị nepa gba ọsọ ha bịakwa ọrụ n'ọfịs a mana Mathias Ezeaku chọdị ga-ebizi n'ụlọ fri ịma akwụsị ụgwọ ọkụ maka na ndị nepa bụ ndị iro gị ọ bụ na ọkụ dị ụfọdụ ụmụaka anyị kwesịrị inwecha wedin meshin na-arụ ọrụ mana iche ego na ha ji ego lista ka i wee rụwa weda gbawa dọ mewe nka nnukwu lista ruche 1 million ebe ka onye asị weta 1 million ndị nepa wee ọkụ ịnụ hit megide gị chefu Jizọs gba gị nkịtị hit sogide gị na onye be gị akpụ chefu Jizọs rapụ onye ahụ ịchọ owekwu ya mana ọ chọ ka ihe dịrị gị na mma Jizọs ka ịchọ ka ihe dịrị gị na mma na ozugbo onye nepa na-eji atị ọka bụ mee kpakpakpa onye nke agbatịa onye nke bụ oji ebe a kpakpakpa nke agbatịa ịgbatịa inwewe ọkụ free so ụmụnne m ụwa nwe proses ọ kwefuru ndị ekpere ji eje ekpewe ekpere na transfọma mebiri emebi ka eweta ọkụ ọwasị bọsị ndị ekpere ji ekpewe ekpere ka eweta ọkụ na transfọma ụdị sosaiti a gị chọ ka m na ụmụ gị too transfọma ha mara ka esi ruo ofu switch nọ n'ime ka a na-ekpezi ekpere ka God mee ka eweta ọkụ ọ gaghị adị ekpe na ya dị ekpezi we don't pay again anyị need gọọmenti kwụọ anyị ụgwọ na anyị bụ citizen anyị chọrọ ngọzi anyị need practical ego gọọmenti kwụba anyị ụgwọ to esi akwụnye London na obere ekpere na-akwụnye London kwụwa anyị ụgwọ to esi akwụnye US gọọmenti of Nigeria kwụwa anyị ụgwọ to esi akwụnye Australia to esi akwụnye Norway gọọmenti nye anyị loan without collateral tinye data onye ọbụla onye jide gọọmenti ụgwọ ego a nakwa na akaụntụ gọọmenti na Owerri apụ outside Nigeria obodo nye gị loan irigodo the money ọ nọkwa n'obodo ahụ Nigeria je London and the man si n'obodo pụọ tikwuo the loan sistem ego na-awa arụ ọrụ sistem na-arụ ọrụ obodo nye gị loan obodo gọọmenti nye gị loan iripịa ya n'ime steeti gị ọ ka nọkwa na akpa gọọmenti maka na ebe anyị were aje gbaghara nkụ ihe niile were gbaghara nkụ n'ime klọb a gọọmenti na-ewere taksị nye ofu nna ọgwụ eziokwu enweghị idea ọ ka dịkwa na akpa gọọmenti ọ ka dịkwa na akpa obodo ịmahụ